Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are going to make Parmesan Roasted Carrot Fries. These are so delicious, easy to make, and if you've always wanted to count your French fries as a vegetable serving, but it doesn't count, you can count these carrots as a vegetable serving. They are a treat, so you're going to love them. The ingredients in this recipe are carrots, olive oil, grated Parmesan cheese, kosher salt, ground pepper, and that's it. The first thing that you need to do is preheat the oven to 425 degrees, and I've done that already. Next, you're going to go ahead and line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat, and I have a mat. Set that aside for now. Next, you're going to go ahead and peel the carrots. So I've peeled most of the carrots, except for a couple. You need 2 pounds of carrots. Take a peeler and peel them. Usually I do this over the garbage or a bowl. I always turn the carrots upside down and then go at the other end too. Next, we're going to slice our carrots into 1/4 inch fries. They're going to be about the size of fries. I like to cut both ends off and then go ahead. I put the flat side down and then cut it that way. Put those in a bowl. If some turned out like I had bad aim there, just set those aside because they'll burn if they're real small like that. You can cut a few at the same time. Just line the carrots up, cut the ends off, flip them around, cut these ends off. Those ends are really small and they would probably burn, so I just cut the ends off. We've got our carrots cut in a bowl. I'm going to set these aside. You want your carrots in a large bowl so it's easy to work with. And we're going to start with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Just drizzle it around the carrots. Then you need to coat the carrots with the olive oil. You can try with a spoon, but the easiest way is with your hands. Make sure you have clean hands. Just mix them all together until you feel the oil on all the carrots. Well, I got it end. Okay, it feels like the carrots are all coated with olive oil. Next, I'm going to sprinkle in 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. So I already have this ready, and this is the grated cheese. Just stir it around until the carrots are coated with the cheese. Okay, they're well coated. Next, you're going to add salt and pepper to taste, but I'm going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle that around, mix it in, and I should have put the ground pepper in a little dish. I have an idea. So open it with a napkin. I'm just guessing the measurement. It's about 1/4 teaspoon or to taste. And you can use the fresh ground, you can grind it in there too. We can add more at the end after they're cooked if we want. I'm just going by sight. Next, I'm going to put the carrots in a single layer on the baking dish. Just lay them on a single layer. You can use more than 1 baking pan too, if you need to. Okay, I have another baking tray lined with silicone mat. I'll just go ahead and add some of these on here. Okay, maybe I'll take some off the other tray so they aren't so crowded. Okay, next we're going to roast our carrots 25 to 30 minutes or until the carrots are tender and they're lightly browned or as brown as you like them. Plus, you might have to take some of the smaller ones out early if they're getting too dark compared to the bigger ones. If you really planned ahead, you could put the wide end carrots on one tray and the skinny ones on the other, but I didn't plan ahead, but you could do that. So we'll go put them in the oven next. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put them in, and I'll check them in 15 minutes. And I'll turn them over in 15 minutes. Okay, it's about halfway of the cooking time, and I'm going to go ahead and turn the carrots over. I'm going to go ahead and put them back in for about 15 more minutes. So I like them more brown, so I'll be back in about 15 minutes, maybe longer. Our Parmesan roasted carrot fries are finished, I think. Let's check them. Look how delicious they look. Nice and golden. Okay, let's go try them. These smell so good, they look so good. I'm going to take them off the cookie sheet, put them on a plate, and then we'll try them. So you can serve these just as is. You can also serve it with a dip. You could add more salt and pepper if you would like, but I need to try one and see if I need more salt or pepper. These are so good. You wouldn't believe. It doesn't need any more salt and pepper, but I'm going to just try a dip. We got the ranch, and then I have some tofu, sour cream, and chives dip from another lesson. You could check that out. I'm going to try that one. That is really good. But there's a lot of other dips you could serve it with. Serve it as an appetizer or a side dish. It'd be great with a sandwich. Try it, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Amazing, really. These are so good.